All right, how to clean your dishwasher. Well, you're gonna need white vinegar from Costco or somewhere like that in the stores, the store-bought regular white vinegar. You're gonna get a cup, doesn't have to be a measuring cup, just be a cup, and make sure it's a full cup facing upward and put it in the upper tray where the cups go, okay, facing up so that the water will fill it up and slowly send out the vinegar throughout the dishwasher through the whole cycle. And then at the end, it'll be nice and clean. And once you're done, you'll need to probably check out your strainer here, take that out after you take out your filter, okay? Your filter comes out like this, and you snap out this piece here, that's your basket, that'll be food and debris. And this you'll need to wash out and then put back in, okay? Then you wanna get your strainer here, and you wanna probably clean that out. Sometimes they're really gunked up with food. That'll help your dishwasher out a bunch. So, a great tip from MBJ DIY. Have a good day.